respectable teachers and the students, Assalam O Alaikum. Today the topic of my speech is Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Who was Allama Iqbal? Allama Iqbal is our national poet. He was a very famous poet. He wrote many poems for the Muslims. His poems are full of ideas and courage. He tried his best to evoke the Muslims and to make them tend toward their goods. He expressed his feelings in his poems. He was a very famous poet. His poems are full of advice for everyone. The name of some of his famous books are Bangidhara, Bale Jibrail, Zarbul Khalim and Pyame Mishrik. He was a true Muslim leader as well a great poet. He died on April 21, 1938. His tomb is in Lahore. May his soul rest in peace. Thanks.